Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have, for the first time ever, a Thredup rescue box. I am super excited. This is the first time ever I've been able to get one of these. It only took literally like a week to get here. And so I'm very excited about it. As you probably already saw in the title, it is a men's rescue box. And the reason why I got one of these is mainly because I know that they don't sell men's items, and so anything that they get is automatically going in one of these rescue boxes, whether it's good or bad. So it is a gamble, but I'm willing to take that gamble. So let's hope I got some good stuff, y'all. I spent $110. Let's try and open this up all the way. I only opened it up a tiny bit earlier just so I could see the receipt, because I did get a shoe rescue box and a men's rescue box, and I needed to know which one it was before I opened it. So it is rescue box mixed men's, $110, and it even has a little note on here that says we love helping. All right, let's see if we can keep this down just a little bit. Here's the box. As you can see, there's the pretty tissue. I'm gonna try and get it a little closer to me. So excited. All right, already I see a sweater. Banana Republic. That's a really nice sweater. That should probably sell for at least $20, $25. Next item is Hugo Boss. I've never sold that before. In perfect condition. See that? Trying not to fall off the couch. There it is. And it's a size 43-17, made in Turkey. Very nice shirt. Let's see. Got a suit coat that has a dry clean tag on it still. Says made in Canada. It looks a little weird. Peter Millar. Let's see if I can get it closer. There's the tag. So I definitely will be looking this stuff up, and if I find anything interesting, I will put it down here so you guys can see. There's the inside of the arms. That's kind of interesting. Peter Millar does sound kind of familiar. Okay, next it looks like we have another suit coat. And it is, let's see, made in Italy. And this is a green corduroy. And it's by Canali. And it looks to have the same kind of sleeve on the inside. I'm trying to see if there's, ooh, it says Saks Fifth Avenue right there. That's a good sign. Still not sure what size it is, but it does seem promising. Is another suit coat. This one says Emporio Armani. Right there. Unbutton it. Yep. Emporio Armani G-line. Seems pretty nice. Interesting. All right, next we have Ooh, some shorts. That's good. Dockers, size 32. They have the buttons. I don't see any flaws. They look good. Okay, now we have some jeans. Ooh, they're AG. Adriana Goldschmied. There's the tag. And they're called the Tellus. It's like a Carhartt camel kind of color. And these are a size, oh, the Tellus Modern Slim. And they're a size 30 regular. Okay, looks like we have some sort of coat. Eli Tahari. That's a good brand. I can see already, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make at least all of my money back on this, if not more. There's another dress shirt. This one's by Express. And it's a fitted, size small, 14 to 14 and a half neck. There's another dress shirt. Ooh, it's Lacoste. That's good. It's got the alligator. Woohoo! And it's like this purpley blue kind of color. This one's a size 40 regular fit. Let's see. And this one's a crappy one. I mean, it looks nice, but it's by Hagar. Whatever. It's a nice print. Looks nice and everything. It's not a good brand though, but I'll probably put it for like $10 or $15. That's not one I'd normally pick up. I've never heard of this one. Bonobos. Standard fit, 15 and a half by 34. It's like a navy and white gingham check in great condition. There's another dress shirt. This is more of a cottony one. It is a chaps. Lime green. Size extra large, 100% cotton. Definitely a specific kind of style. Another dress shirt. Hagar, fits the same. It's an extra large, just like the other one. So I might just bundle those two together. What is this? It's by Dickies. It's new with tag. But it also has this on the back. It says Satin Dolls. And it's a size large. That might sell. Next we have, looks like a polo. Feels like it's brand new. It's Tommy Hilfiger. Size medium. Doesn't feel like it's ever been worn. That's great. Then we have Nike. There's a Nike dry fit. And it's a 4XL. That's a good one. Bigger sizes are always good. Okay, now we just have a Old Navy 3XL, and it's a tall. My husband is a 2X and he's a tall, so this is one of his favorite colors. So this one will be going to him. All right, now we have some sort of jersey. This is NFL team apparel right there. And it says Welker, number 83. And I may have to take a Google photo of this because I am not a sports fan, y'all. I don't have the slightest clue who this is. So if anybody knows, feel free to leave a comment. And it's a size large. Great condition. Doesn't seem to have any issues at all. All right. Now we've got some pants. Looks like these are some slim tapered gray Dockers, size 36-32. Perfect condition. Even have the pressed lines in them still. All right, next we have some tan joggers by American Eagle. It's usually what they're from. These are a size medium tall, I'm assuming. It says MT. And it's got a J on the inside. So these will probably be listed for maybe 10 or 15. Because they do have a tiny bit of wear on the bottom here. So I'm not sure about those ones. It's the only iffy thing I've gotten so far, so that's great. Ooh, there's shoes down here. Next is Goodfellow, which is Target. Not a big deal. It's a size 33-30. Just some basic, like khaki church pants, kind of. Next we have Quicksilver, and they're shorts, so that's good. They are gray, size 32, straight fit. We've got some more pants. Ooh, these are Lucky brands. 221 straight, size 32-30. Soft, great condition. Some more shorts. These will probably only be listed for like, oh no, these might fit my husband. I don't think he likes plaid though. These are just Kirkland Signature, which means it's like Costco or Sam's Club brand. So probably only list those for like $10. We've got some more shorts. These are Under Armour. That's a good brand. Looks like they are a 44. Have a great band on the inside. Lots of stretch. They're gray. We have a Hype HYP t-shirt. It's interesting. Never seen that tag before. It's just a basic blue t-shirt. Oh, I see a swoosh. Nike Dry Fit Polo. There's the tag right there. And it looks like it's a size medium. And the very last item is a pair of shoes, y'all. And looks like they are some Adidas. Tiny bit of wear on the inside. Not too bad though. The bottoms look great. They could just use a little bit of cleaning up along the whites. And then they will be good. Looks like we've got a winner. If I get a good amount of money out of those suit coats, I'm gonna go ahead and look those up, see what we can do with them. There's a little bit of marking right there. Not sure if I can get that out or not, but I may be able to get a good amount out of these. They are a size 11. It looks like they've just got some fuzz on the inside from sitting in a box for too long or something. So that's it. So as far as this box goes, I think it's a thumbs up. I definitely think I'm gonna be making some money off of this one. I'm not sure how long it'll take, because sometimes stuff on Poshmark doesn't seem to sell very fast when it comes to men's items. Maybe it's because I don't have a ton of them in the first place, but who knows? I will be cross-listing all of these items as soon as I get them up onto eBay and Mercari, so we'll see how any of them do. Thanks for watching this video. I'm going to be posting another one. I do have a shoe one coming also, and I'm super excited about that one too. Before I go, I'm going to tell you guys which Thredup place this comes from. Let's see. On the label, this one came from Phoenix, Arizona, and I hear Phoenix, Arizona is a really good place to do thrifting in because that's where they had the last in-person Posh Fest, and I heard nothing but good things about thrifting in Phoenix, so I'm super excited about that. Hopefully my shoe box will come from there also. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like this video if you guys are excited about watching Thredup unboxings. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that you can see all of the amazing content that I'm going to be loading up in the near future. I do lots of haul videos, what sold videos, and we'll finally start to do some tips and tricks kind of videos and bolo videos soon. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.